set it and forget it, and it'll keep syncing. I don't have to go back and fix it every time I add new people.
On the survey that we had here, I think 2 hours a week and 13 days each year, probably. So wasted by doing manual data works. So in your end, Chris, on average, how much did you save and how many leads do you manage through automation?
That's a terrific question. I was lucky that I had good assistants and I had outsourced some of this to people, either, domestic folk or virtual assistants. I would definitely agree with the 1 to 2 hours a week. And it's probably let me in a total database that's probably 3,000 or 5,000 people, it's let me scrub several hundred. One of the things I didn't mention that I love is when someone unsubscribes, this works at 2 levels. When someone unsubscribes on the Mailchimp side, I don't have to scrub them from the Salesforce database, but I get notified of it in a way that lets me see, like, is this one of those billion-dollar guys who just doesn't want to see my little emails but still get phone calls? Lets me be more sensitive that way. We run, like, our A and B leads are about 400 people. And it lets me manage them kind of very elegantly and keep that rotating through. So we don't really try and do it's about 100 A people and about 300 B people. And that's really the max that we can effectively service when we're doing things like phone calls without growing the team.
I see that. That's great to hear again, Chris. Using Apto and Mailchimp, Chris, or let's say, for example, constant contact, right? You're also using. What benefit did you get from this into your business?
Definitely. It's aside from, it's a lot easier for me to outsource these types of basic email creation tools when it's just default Mailchimp. There's a standard audience, and then whoever is handling that market channel, I'm able to set up, here's what the different audiences look like, and just set it and forget it, and it'll keep syncing. I don't have to go back and fix it every time I add new people. The Mailchimp side is just so much easier than trying to do group emails or list emails through Salesforce, where you get terrible delivery rates, or trying to export a list into Google or like into my Gmail account and just blind carbon copy everyone. When we do it with Mailchimp, we're able to use all the rich HTML formatting things. We don't even use all the drip and the other functions they have yet, but it's just so much simpler. When I get a new listing, we can just, the audience is automatically updated with new people. We just copy it, change the formatting, change the picture and the attachment, and poof, it's out. Like, we've gone from spending an hour or 2 on an email to about 15 minutes to get an email out.
If you like what you saw and you want to listen to the full episode, just click the link below and enjoy.